Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming recovery media and access. This is where you act now. Boot the server from the Windows Server 2012 R2 DVD or USB and choose Repair Your Computer, not Install. Once you reach the recovery options, pick Troubleshoot and then Advanced Options. Make sure to note the system drive letter in the recovery environment. You'll need it for later commands. If you have a system state or full backup, verify it's available before proceeding with command line repairs. Once in the command prompt, run dism to repair the component store, point /image to the correct system volume, and wait for it to finish. Next, run chkdsk with /f and /r to fix disk errors and recover readable data. This can take significant time. After disk work, run sfc against the offline Windows folder to replace corrupted system files. If DISM cannot connect to Windows Update, provide a known good source WIM from your install media. You now repair boot records so the OS can start normally. Run bootrex/fixmber, then bootrex/fixboot. If /fixboot is denied, recreate the EFI or BCD store manually. And finally, bootrex/rebuild to detect installations. Once done, reboot into normal mode, verify services, domain joins, and event viewer for errors. If startup still fails, boot to safe mode to isolate drivers or apply a system state restore. Key tip: if repeated boot failures occur, restore from your verified backup image to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.